Running a business today means managing endless tools, spreadsheets, and reports. That's why we built Bizaldo. More than a commerce management system, it's the AI power of your business. From sales and inventory to customer engagement, Bizaldo gives you real-time insights to make smarter decisions, increase efficiency, and grow revenue. The moment you log in, no installation needed, Bizaldo gives you a complete view of your business. From total sales and daily performance to pending orders and best-selling products, everything is right here, updated in real time. You can manage multiple branches from a single dashboard and instantly track which ones are performing best. Bizaldo's AI engine doesn't just show what happened, it predicts what comes next. See your expected revenue, confidence range, and growth trends for the next 30 days. Use these insights to plan inventory, staffing, and promotions ahead of time, turning data into decisions that drive growth. Stay in control of your stock at all times. Bizaldo alerts you when items are running low and recommends the best suppliers, comparing cost, reliability, and delivery time. All powered by AI, you can reorder in one click and avoid lost sales or overstocking, keeping operations lean and efficient. Bizaldo helps you turn transactions into relationships through AI-powered insights. Identify your most valuable customers, detect churn risks, and personalize offers automatically. Reward loyalty with points, bonuses, or custom programs, all while collecting real feedback to keep improving the experience. Bizaldo also empowers staff to take payments directly on the shop floor through a dedicated tablet app. When connected to HazelsOne, it enables in-store payments as part of a fully integrated Bizaldo experience, making it ideal for retail stores and fashion brands, especially during peak hours, pop-ups, events, and personalized in-store experiences. Bizaldo works seamlessly across devices and connects with HazelsOne for in-person or online payments, and HazelsPay for loyalty programs and digital wallet experiences. Bizaldo supports multiple currencies and languages, including Arabic, and is built for businesses across markets. It's robust, secure, and fully compliant with GDPR and local tax authority regulations. From AI-driven insights to intelligent automation, it's everything you need to take control of your commerce, all in one place. Bizaldo. Simplify. Predict. Grow.